Hello everyone. Today we're going to be going through some tips and tricks on how to Google search more efficiently so that you can find exactly what you want when you want. And in part one of this series, we're going to be going through images. Let's just jump into it. So let's look up a Jaguar. I'm doing a research project on a Jaguar, so I need some pictures. I'm going to look into my images and look at this, a bunch of cars. Now, if you're looking to narrow down results, what you can do is you have the ability to put in a minus sign. And we can put in minus car. So what that does, it'll search every website that has an image of a Jaguar. And if there's a mention of a car, it will remove it from my search results, thus giving me quite a few more cat Jaguars. Now, we'll say I like this picture. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it into my presentation. So let's put it into here and let's make it nice and big. But no, pixels everywhere, blurry, not clear, not what I want, because I want a nice, good presentation. So what we'll do first of all, we'll click on the tools option that you can find right next to settings. And this gives us a whole bunch of options, and it's honestly the most underutilized element when searching for images. Because from there, I can click on size and I can say that I want a large image. And look, that exact image is actually there. Perfect. So I'll click on that and then I'll click on the image. And we're in Wikimedia. We will copy and paste that image and let's see if it looks nicer. Now, because it is a high resolution, it should. And if we look at the two, absolutely, that is a beautiful picture. Now I can present about Jaguars. But let's say in my next slide, I want something a little more childish, a little more cartoony. If I come back into here, I can look at the type of image that I want. So in type, you can absolutely take a line drawing, something animated, but I want something clip arty. So if I click on that, what do we have in here? We got a few images. We'll change this so that it's any size because clip art doesn't really need to be crazy huge. Here we go, a cute baby Jaguar. So we'll copy that image. We'll put it into our presentation. And this is beautiful. Now I can talk about some cute facts about Jaguars, but oh no, there's white everywhere, which doesn't look too good on a presentation, especially on one that has a different colored background. So what we can do, we can look at another aspect in that tools bar, just right here. We can look at color. So in color, there is the option, absolutely, if I wanted purple Jaguars, I could find quite a few of them. But the one that I use most often in my presentations is transparent. What this does is it searches for all the images that have a transparent background. Let's scroll down here. That one's pretty cute too. And what you'll see that all results have this checkerboard background, which means that when you copy the image and then you paste it, you're not going to have that ugly white surrounding the image. So let's paste it and voila. So those are a couple quick, easy tricks on how to find the exact image that you're looking for a little bit faster using Google search and some of the advanced tools options.